To start watching movies on Kanopy using your computer web browser, head over to www.picknet.org, hover over Digital Library, then select Digital Movies. Click on the Kanopy logo to get started. Once at the Kanopy webpage, you will need to add a library card. Simply click Add Library Card, then enter your library card credentials. Then click Continue. You will need to create a new Kanopy account. Simply enter your first name, last name, email address, and password, then click Sign Up. Please note that the email address has to be valid, as Kanopy will send you an email verification message. Let's verify our email right now. Open your email, find the newly sent message from Kanopy, and then click Verify Email. Done. You are now ready to begin using Kanopy. When logged into Kanopy, you will see some featured items right on their homepage. Hover over a movie title to get more information, or even start watching the movie. Clicking into a title will give you more information about the movie, as well as user comments. To begin playback of a movie, simply click the play button. You can change the playback speed, enable and disable captioning, as well as go full screen. For the purposes of this tutorial, I have my speaker volume on mute. You can browse the various categories that Kanopy has to offer, as well as search for a title. Using Kanopy on your mobile device is equally as easy. Search for Kanopy, then install. In my case, Kanopy is already installed. Next, launch Kanopy and navigate to the login page. Since we already created an account on our computer, we already have an account. Simply log in. Using Kanopy on mobile is very easy. You can browse or search for movies just like on the desktop. Find a movie you'd like to play, then tap Play. It's that easy. Rotate your device to play back the movie in landscape mode. Stop the movie, then rotate your device to go back to default view. To add a movie to your watch list, click plus My List. Your movie will be saved for future viewing. Your watch list can be viewed on mobile as well. To add a movie to your watch list on mobile, find the movie you'd like to add, then tap the plus watch list button. This concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching.